All right, guys. Well, it's that time of the day. All right. My name is Simeon Chotilal from Trinidad and Tobago. I'm really excited to have you all, each and everyone here on the call. Today's presentation call, all right, will be about no other than Shao Bank, right? A unique opportunity where you could come in, invest into this online banking system and start earning some passive returns, all right? So a little history about myself. I have been into the crypto industry for the past 3 years, and I have learned a lot of experiences within this particular industry. And one thing for sure I can tell you, what I'm about to reveal to you guys today with Shao Bank is like no other. Because I've been with a lot of different platforms in the past, and they was not even so structured, there wasn't so transparency as Shao Bank, right? With that being said, let me know if you guys are hearing me loud and clear. You could go ahead and put a 1 in the chat box. Let me know if you're all hearing me loud and clear. So all the way from Trinidad, guys, I'm really honored to be the presenter today. So if it is possible, you could put a 1 in the chat box, or even let me know which country you're from, because I'm seeing persons from different countries on the call today. All right, so okay, Andrew's from Trinidad, right? Nice to have you on the call, right? I'm seeing some other guys here, right? So I don't want to take up too much of your time. I value each and every one time here on today's call. I basically, before I get started, I just want to just put my disclaimer out there. My personal risk disclaimer is that this is not financial advice from me. This is just me saw an opportunity online that people was earning cash, and I decided to do my own research about the platform. I understand what it is I was getting involved with, and I basically got involved with Shao Bank as an investor. I put in some cash in there, and I'm pretty glad that I did. And I started earning some daily and even weekly returns, right? So it's your duty to do your own research about the company. After today's presentation, it's all up to you to make that decision to come on the platform. All right, so that's just my personal risk disclaimer when it comes to online opportunities, right? With that being said, guys, I want to get straight into Shao Bank. So I'm seeing Mr. Mohammed Aslam. Nice to have you, man, all the way from Pakistan. Lovely, lovely, nice, man, to have you to our call today. All right. So first off, we want to find out what is Shao Bank. What is this Shao Bank platform all about? So what I'm about to share with you here is accessible to everyone on the call. This is the actual website for Shao Bank. I'm simply going to the FAQ section here where people frequently ask questions, right? So the first thing you guys want to know, what is Shao Bank, right? And basically the services that Shao Bank provide is that they offer a wide range of banking services to businesses and individuals. These include private and business banking, asset management, lending, investments, and remote banking services, right? So that's basically the service that Shao Bank provide, because we know Shao Bank is an online opportunity where you could come in, invest into this particular platform and start earning some weekly rewards, right? Through their bonds. They do bonds as their investment within the platform. So basically, how does digital banking work with Shao Bank? With Shao Bank, you can do your own banking online via mobile devices. After verification, once you're registered with the website, you will be asked to do a verification process. And that is something you all have to pay attention to, because it's not just like any website you're getting involved with. You're getting involved with a highly secured website, Shao Bank, that is, right? So after the verification of your personal account, you will have access to a virtual card. So with Shao Bank, you get access to something called a Shao card. This virtual card act like it's a master Visa card, right? On your account, once your account is topped up, you have a active bond certificate working for you, which we will discuss later on into the presentation. You will instantly get a virtual card into your account, right? So with this card now, you can use it in Hong Kong, right, as a normal card, virtually speaking, and then also in some European countries. So in the near future, Shao Bank are looking to expand the accessibility with different countries, right? So you will also receive dividends on deposits, bonds, and business network profits in your e-account. What this simply means with Shao Bank, when you start earning from your passive returns daily and weekly, you will instantly get money back to your Shao virtual card on your account. And also, if you enter the network marketing side, the affiliate program with Shao Bank, they have a lot of benefits as well. I'm speaking about tokens, marketplace, and commissions coming in 10 level deep within the affiliate system, right? So you instantly get these cash and rewards credited to your account with Shao Bank. So basically, what business model does the bank use to sell bonds? Because we understand that Shao Bank more or less does not deal with the financial markets, forex. They do not deal with crypto, the cryptocurrency market. They deal with securities, stocks, and bonds. Basically, bonds is what they deal with, which is a less risk area field to get involved with compared to the volatility in the crypto markets and forex. You would find getting into an investment that deals with bonds is a little less risk you're coming into, right? So what business model does the bank use to sell bonds? Because we understand Shao Bank deals with bonds, right? So basically it is the P2P peer-to-peer service model is one of the bank's features that makes cooperation more accessible. Using innovative technology, Shao Bank's customers can purchase bonds via the app in just one click. And it's literally that easy, guys. In just a few steps, you could get started with Shao Bank just by one click or so, right? A bond is a security that is issued by the government or commercial companies to raise capital. It has a normal value on which the bondholder is paid coupon income, right? The yield of a bond depends on the amount of coupon income. Shao Bank issued securities with different maturities and yields. That simply means different percentages on the bonds, right? And a different maturity, meaning time span. When you purchase a bond, the minimum is basically 3 years. So you don't know to yourself, it's a long-term investment you're getting involved with Shao Bank, which is good because many short-term companies, they don't really last that long. So why not get into a secure platform that offers these type of services? So they are designed for short-term and long-term investments and take into account all customer objectives, right? So in a nutshell, that is what Shao Bank is about, what services they provide currently. And that's basically the general question. So in your own time, what you could do, you could go to the website directly, you head over to help and support, and you would see other questions frequently asked. All right, so that is what Shao Bank is about. And we understand that Shao Bank has been registered and operating since 2022 and close to September month. They have been into operations. So we're talking about also the security. We know that the bank offers these services, but how secure, how structured, what foundation does this bank have to ensure that I'm getting my capital or returns coming back to me, right? Because that's my concern too. Are you going into a platform investing? I want to know how solid this company is, how solid this platform is. You know, what history is there tied to this particular bank, to this platform. So guys, I'm about to share with you the ecosystem behind Shao Bank, right? So the ecosystem is very important when you're dealing with an investment company because you want to know like how funds is coming into the organization. You want to know how money is being earned within the platform. So surrounding Shao Bank, there are 5 financial partners that is affiliated with Shao Bank. And when I'm talking about corporations and organizations, these financial partners behind Shao Bank, guys, there's a lot of history, a lot of positive results with these companies' success, right? You could also Google search these companies. You could check out Global Future Enterprises, which is one of the affiliate corporations with Shao Bank. And the Global Future Enterprise Corporations is a corporation that has been growing successfully since 2006 and controls all of its subsidiaries. So today's date actually is the 1st of the 8th, 2023. This Global Future has been operating since 2006. When I say a company like this is tied to Shao Bank, it gives me confidence to invest into this platform. Why? Because Shao Bank is tied to a platform that has been operating successfully since 2006. Right, so the second affiliation in terms of corporation tied to Shao Bank is Financial Partners Limited. So with Financial Partners Limited, they have over 35 years experience, right? Imagine all these affiliation companies now is supporting the Shao Bank operation, right? Based on their experience and history. So we are currently involved in an opportunity that is geared to last a very long time, right? So we have now Financial Partners, a company with a 35-year history of providing wealth management services to businesses and individuals. So again, guys, you could Google search these companies and you could check out what these corporations is about, right? And thirdly, we have Global Future Technology and Culture, a high-tech class, the enterprise actively cooperation with the Chinese Academy of Science. With that being said, Shao Bank is officially registered in Hong Kong, right? And they are also registered in the UK. They have the regulations in the United Kingdom, which we will touch base as well in terms of certificates and verification of this particular platform being legit. All right. So that's the third company corporation tied with Shao Bank. We have fourth now, Go Insurance. Pay attention to Go Insurance, guys, because this now is where our money is being insured with Shao Bank. So with Shao Bank, they have an insurance that is available for us. An insurance company offering a wide range of insurance programs fully owned by financial partners. So you see what's going on here already? You've seen that financial partners is already linked to Go Insurance. And now we have all these years of experiences with success available at Shao Bank, right? So the fifth now would be Universal Century, an advertising company organizer of the International Global Research and Development Forum. So there's 5 powerful corporations there that Shao Bank is affiliated with in terms of securities and support on a foundational level, right? So that's the ecosystem behind Shao Bank. If you were even worried about that ecosystem tied to the company, that is the ecosystem, guys, right? So the ecosystem, Shao Bank is subsidiary of Global Future Enterprises Group Corporations. All right, so as you can see, a nice little information panel here, circular, giving you a little details of the different companies affiliated with Shao Bank. So global future activities include banking, insurance, investment, advertising, educational, energy, and culture. The corporation has earned the respect and recognition of thousands of clients and investors who have saved and grown capital through its help. Since Shao is part of the corporation, we can confidentially say that we have 17 years of experience in the banking and investment industry. So guys, I mean, come on, 17 years of experience we are getting involved with Shao Bank. That is that is building confidence to a whole new level there, getting into online investment, right? So that's the ecosystem behind Shao Bank. We want to talk quickly about the regulations behind Shao Bank, and I'll just go directly to the website just to show you guys some information about that. And we have here available on the website, which is available to you, the public. you can simply just go to who you are as on the website, documentation, and you're going to see the legal status of Shao Bank. So here is the certificate number of Shao Bank in Hong Kong. We have the United Kingdom registration certificate as well. And right on the website, you can just click on the UK tab there. And from that tab now, you just copy the document number here. And you just paste that document number inside here. And you're going to see information being Shao Global Future Limited. And you're going to see some information here. So all this is part of regulations dealing with the company. And apart from that, you're going to see some certificates here, which is, to my knowledge, very important coming into a company. And you could view this certificate and you could always do your verification on those certificates. Right? So here's a certificate of Shao Bank, a LEI certificate, that is. And here you can see a little bit of details about the information being provided from Shao Bank, right? So that's the LEI, there's ICRIS certificate. Again, all this is confirmations that the platform is a legit operating platform. And these are the securities behind it. So you can see certificate of incorporation here issued on the 28th of September 2022. And then there's the IPLC certificate as well, which you could view, right, on the website, that is. So here we go, guys. You see a lot of information here being provided, which is good coming into the platform. So this should aim towards the regulations on the platform. And then we have the financial reports, which is available to you as well in the public. You know, the platform has been operating in 2022. All you have to do is go to digital banking, you go to banking on the website, and you now is going to see the financial report here. And this is good, guys. When our company is operating for a certain time frame, you want to see the financial report. Yes, we know Shao Bank is have a good, strong ecosystem around the platform. We want to know how the finances is contributing towards Shao Bank. So I have open here the same financial report, guys, that is available to you. And you can see a lot of details here for the financial report, right? A lot of details here. And then we have here some important information. The ecosystem partnership companies is contributing towards Shao Bank, right? So you can see we have from financial partners, Go Insurance, Global Century, Global Future, and Global Future Enterprises. So in total, Hong Kong reported profit before tax towards Shao Bank, $56.223 million, right? So we know we are very much in a stable platform dealing with Shao Bank. So with Shao Bank, that's the financial report available so far. So at the end of this year, we will also be given a financial report as well. What you're really coming into, guys, is a ready-made portfolio. This company already have everything structured, and you just coming in to invest with the bank and start earning some rewards. So it's a ready-made portfolio you're coming into, right? And with Shao Bank, there's also a roadmap available from the organization. And I'm going to just show you that roadmap quickly here. Right, so let me just get the roadmap presentation slide here. Right, so with Shao Bank, they already have a roadmap, and it's good to know what company or organization have, you know, geared for mission status future, right? And the roadmap here all starts from August 2022 all the way to 2032. All right, so you can see all the way to 2032 here, the roadmap. And there's a lot of accomplishments coming our way with Shao Bank, that is, right? The Shao Bank is not just available in the English side, they have reached a lot of different countries already. A lot of growth is happening within the organization. So that's a lot of information I just revealed to you guys in terms of regulation, securities behind the company, the ecosystem, we have the roadmap, and Now we want to get into the most important part of this particular platform. It's called the investment plans, right? Through the bond services. So what I'm going to do, I'm basically going to log into my account because I'm a practical guy. I like to show people what is working for me because I can't really tell somebody about an opportunity that I myself have not experienced, right? So I'm just here to share my experience with you guys. I'm going to log into our account here with Shao Bank. All right. I'm gonna log in here. If you have any questions regarding to the information I just shared there, you could go ahead and leave it in the chat box, right? If you have any questions. So here we go, guys. This is what a verified account looks like. This is the Shao card I spoke about earlier that is accessible to you as an investor. And with this card, you could use this card in Hong Kong. You could use it in some European countries as a Visa card, right? You get a CVC code, you get your number and expiry date and stuff like that. So we're talking now about the bonds. This is the investment plans available to you as investors. So they are structured into two bonds separately, right? So the first bond option available as an investment, it's called Shao Global Future, which is Series BB number 7280. With this particular investment in the company, this first selection available as an investor, 7280 bonds are financial instrument issued to raise funds for the operations of Shao Bank Future Limited. These bonds are designed to provide investors with a fixed income stream with over 3 years. So as I mentioned earlier, the minimum duration of the maturity on the bonds, it's 3 years, guys. So when you buy into a bond, it's basically 3 years is the minimum for the particular contract to end, right? So with this particular bond, you get yield each day 0.45%. So you're telling yourself, some people may say, but 0.45% is not that much. But guys, based on my experience dealing with investment opportunities, the higher percentages most companies are paying, most platforms, they don't last long. Why? Because most of the time, someone come in with a big amount and they drain the platform. You know, if the platform is not structured properly, they will also be drained and the website would crash and all this stuff like that. So when you see an opportunity like Shao Bank and with all these verifications behind the company, behind the platform, you know you're getting into a stable opportunity, right? So with this particular purchasing of this investment here, which is bonds, the minimum you could come in here is purchasing 10 bonds, right? It may sound a little technical, but guys, it really is simple. The platform supports a lot of different cryptocurrencies. They support Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Tron, BNB, Binance, a lot of different cryptocurrencies is supported. Because the particular platform has been registered in Hong Kong, they are basically using the HKD dollar, which is the Hong Kong dollar. We don't have to worry about that because the platform does the conversion for us automatically. All we had to know to do is to buy into the bonds, and it's super simple to do that. Let's say I want to purchase 10 bonds. It's easy. All I have to do here is change HKD into whatever crypto I may have available that is the platform is supporting. So I mostly use Tether TRC Panther, and you can see here the amount payable. So all you're doing here is just selecting buy bonds, and you're gonna see now the amount you had to send to the platform is this amount. So I'm just gonna select buy bonds as an example. And you're gonna see they're gonna generate now an invoice for me to send from my crypto wallet. So just wait for it to load up here. So as you can see, super simple, guys. It's literally one click. They get a commercial invoice, and you're gonna get the information here and the amount to send. So you get your address to send to the platform. And once you send your funds, you're just gonna hit I am paid and back to your account. It will take you back there, and within a couple of hours or so, or less, it's going to show up on the bonds. You head back over to your account, you select bonds, you scroll all the way down, and you're going to see bonds history. And you're going to see when you purchase your total accumulation for the 3 years, and you're going to see your countdown timer for your first earning within the platform. And this they don't pay us like every day in terms of the money being reflected in the platform. You get it once a week. So once a week, you're going to get a reflection on your account with the amount that you have earned with the particular bonds, right? So in 2 days' time, I will get my 0.45% on BB7280, which we invested into 100 bonds, and that's like 1,000 USDT investment, right? So let me know if you have any question with that information there just shared with the bond, because this is the investment side of the company. You getting involved with the company and earning some weekly returns. If you have a question, you could go ahead and put it in the chat box, right? And this is the first bond available. And what is a nice thing to acknowledge at this stage with Shao Bank, you not just get an active bond information on your account, you also get a certificate, right? A bond certificate of how many bonds you purchase. And with this certificate now, there's a lot of promotional rewards going on in Shao Bank, and some of them you could earn through the network marketing side of the company by doing promotional tasks. And that's one of the tasks is with this certificate as well. So there's a lot of rewards you could earn within the platform. This year is to show you guys that you have officially purchased some bonds with the platform. So they presented with a certificate. And that's the first bond available at 0.45. And remember, the minimum is 100 and let's say 2 USDT to get involved with that particular bond. So the second bond we have available from Shao Bank, it's AA5190. And with this particular bond, you earn every day 0.55%, right? So the minimum in purchasing this particular bond, it's 5,084 USDT. Again, the duration, it's 3 years, all right? And it's the same procedure to send the funds to the account. The nice thing about Shao Bank is that you could have multiple bonds purchases in your account. As you can see, we have one bond here working, and then we purchase a next bond operating. So we could have multiple bonds working in our account, same as you as well, right? So that's the investment side, guys. Let me know if you have any questions regarding the bonds and how it works and stuff like that. You could go ahead and just let me know in the chat box. So if you want, you could unmute your microphone at this time. All right, so Andrew, drop a 1 in the chat box if you're with me so far. Let me know if you understand everything being said about the bonds. All right.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
All right, Mr. Rich Joe, I see you on your microphone.
Thank you so much, Mr. Simeon. Like I always say, your presentation is always amazing.
Nice.
And with your presentation, it makes the understanding the opportunity easier and better. I'm telling you, and especially when it shows how easy it is to make withdrawal. Because a lot of people, when they join a business, they want to know how easy it is to withdraw. And now you just showed us right here in a few minutes, the withdrawal just gone forward. I'm really happy. I have some friends here that I invite to this call that I believe they'll have questions to ask. You just have to tell them to come to get to follow up. Yeah, so I believe they have questions too. Please let them go ahead and ask their questions. Thank you, bro.
Well, I really appreciate your feedback, Mr. Rich Joe. You know, I really like to have you on the call as well. And I was about to head into the withdrawal part. You know, I'm glad that you brought that up because, yeah, you want to know, you're putting your money into a platform. You want to know how easy it is to withdraw your money, right? And what is if there is any charges in terms of administration fees. So I just want to show you guys how easy it is to work with the withdrawal. Once you get your money accumulated, as you can see, let me head back over to my account here, right? So the money is being reflected here under account balance, and it will also be available in your Shao virtual card, your bank virtual card. So with this money available, it's really easy to withdraw. All you could have to do is head over right here into customer options, you're going to hit withdraw. And with this withdrawal option here now, you could literally withdraw minimum $6.35 in USDT. And they charge 0 commission with this particular cryptocurrency. All right. So the minimum is 50 HKD, which you don't really have to worry too much about. Again, the platform does the conversion for us automatically. So we just need to choose the payment method. There's a lot of different payment methods available. The Bitcoin, you have to note that if you choose Bitcoin to withdraw, and that is something good with the platform, although you deposit with USDT, you have the option to withdraw with any one of the supported cryptocurrencies. It's not limited to just USDT withdrawal. You can choose any one. What you have to do and pay attention to is the commission they charge if you decide to use Bitcoin. So with Bitcoin, it's 4% they charge. With Ethereum, 4%. Tether, it's 2%. With the ERC20 network, the Tether TRC20, which is run at 0%. The BNB, it's literally 3%. You have Binance being 1%. And all these other cryptocurrencies, you have the Solana being 3%, Dogecoin 3%. You have the Tron. If you're using the TRX to withdraw itself, it's 2%. And then you have Litecoin being 4%, Stellar being 4%, and Bitcoin Cash being 3%. So the withdrawals from the platform to your crypto wallet, it takes less than 24 hours to be reflected, guys, into your wallet. As is a banking platform you're coming into, I advise if you could do the withdrawal during the weekdays. Because you know most banks operate Monday to Friday. However, you could still do a withdrawal on the weekend and you will get it as well, right? But for fast operations, I would advise to do the withdrawal if you can during the course of the week, right? So you always see some other option here. Under by withdrawal, there's refill balance, where you could actually refill your balance within the platform. Top it up now, and then you can make a purchase of a bond. And then you have here transfer. This is a really neat feature with Shao Bank. With transfer, you could basically send from your Shao card in your account to a partner's Shao card within the network. And it happens instantly and there's no commissions to that. So you could transfer funds from one account to a next account within Shao Bank and have no commissions being charged, right? And that happens instantly. So that is with the transfer there. We cover a lot there, guys, with investments, the transfer, and we want to get in now to the affiliate marketing side of the company, right? And this is for persons who like to share opportunities. I personally, guys, if I get involved with a platform and I'm seeing all these transparencies, all these confirmations and validations behind the platform, I will definitely share this opportunity because I've been seeing this opportunity working for me, right? And I know I have friends, I have family that will need an opportunity like this because this is not just a want, this is a need. As you all know, the financial status worldwide, you know, a lot of people are unemployed, they're looking for ways to earn. Guys, this could be a solution for you, it could be a solution for them as well. So Shao Bank pays, I should say, handsomely into the affiliate side of the company. It's simple as you share the opportunity, somebody come into the platform and you earn from Shao Bank. They pay you rewards, all right? So it's structured in 2 ways. Shao Bank pay you tokens, right? And with these tokens, it's quality balance. You could use these tokens into the marketplace and purchase and even earn more within the platform, all right? So every day, I have currently right now 9,000 tokens available in my account. So every day in their marketplace built in, I could make a purchase of a common case within this marketplace. And it doesn't stop just on the common case. It actually gets better than that, guys. So I'm going to do this as proof just to show you guys how it works. What Shao Bank is guaranteeing us with the common case is that we could earn minimum 4 to 40 HKD. So you're wondering, what is this HKD conversion to the USDT? It's easy, guys. You just have to type in on your web browser HKD to USDT. right? So once you hit that search, you're going to see a converter comes up here. And all we just have to do is, if you want to know what is 40 HKD, we just simply put that 40 there, and you can see it's $5.13. You could earn by using your tokens within the platform. So that's additional rewards you're getting apart from the bonds. All right. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna basically make a purchase. We're gonna buy into $1,000 of our token with a common case. So we're gonna hit buy here. All right, we're just gonna confirm and hit buy case here. Look at that, guys. I literally just won 34 HKD. Right? And I'm gonna hit close here. I earned 34 HKD. Look at that, $4.37 USDT was added to my balance. And to verify that, you could see that here. Right? You could see that money being added here instantly. I think under the transaction tab, look at this, guys. You would see all the history here under the transaction tab, and you could see bonus was earned when I purchased the common case a while back. All right? So really exciting. You could earn through the bonds, you could earn through the affiliate system with the tokens, and you would be rewarded when you purchase into one of these cases on the marketplace. So it's your countdown timer here, so which means tomorrow around the same time, I could buy into our next common case and earn some more money towards my account balance here. All right. So there, it doesn't stop there with the common case. When you start inviting persons to the opportunity call and they are interested, they signed up under your link, they get started, they buy into like 1,000 USDT. What Shao Bank is doing instantly as well, they are giving you referral commissions. Instantly, you are getting money to your account 7% from Shao Bank. And it doesn't stop with the level 1 within the network marketing side. It goes all the way to level 10, guys. How it is structured, however, if you want to partake and benefit from the different levels within your network, you simply have to just use your tokens and buy to those affiliate marketing plans, right? So if I want to buy into my level 4, I just simply use buy here. And once the person within the network, which is my level 4, signs someone and have them active into the organization, I still get a commission from Shao Bank, right? So that's with the marketplace, dealing with the tokens. Seeing MW, yeah, unmute. You have a question?
Yeah, okay. I think I have another question, please. Can you hear me?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, this marketplace, because I observed immediately you claim the first bonus, it now shows that you have the next 24 hours. What if I now go to the next coupon? Can I still make it, or will I still just have to wait because it's the first one that costs 1,000? It was 1,000 tokens. You click on it and you got paid 34 tokens, and they tell you the next time you can click that particular one is the next 24 hours. I'm asking, can you also click, or you still have to wait for 24 hours to click if you want to sell the next, you want to play the next one like this common or the rate? Can you do the same thing now, or you still have to wait for that 24 hours?
All right, so you could buy into any one of these cases, right? And once you buy into the case, 24 hours after, you would have the option to buy again, right?
Okay.
So this is what's happening here. I will currently, based on my amount, I could only buy into the common case. So what I can tell you for sure, because again, I'm only sharing my experience with the platform, right? So what I can tell you at this current stage, yes, every 24 hours, you can buy into the common case and earn within 4 to 40 HPD, right? So this is something I could confirm 100%, right?
All right.
Yeah, every day, 7 days a week, you could buy in once you have the tokens available. All right, so the only way again I will be 100% sure with the other packages within the marketplace is when I actually make a purchase. So when I get enough funds to purchase the rare, I will definitely update you guys what's happening here. If you could buy in every day as well with your rare keys.
All right, bro.
All right.
Thank you much. Yeah.
Okay, nice. Yeah. So guys, it doesn't stop with the common or rare case. Once you start accumulating the T balance and meeting the minimum required amount, you could buy into the mystical case where things will get extremely interesting, I should say, right? Because now you're not earning just 4 to 40, you're earning 2400 to 4800 HKD. So if I type in, if I copy that here and I simply paste that there, that's literally 616 USDT you would have earned just by using those tokens, right? Within the platform. Then there's the legendary, the immortal as well, which is the final case available within the marketplace. So you guys seeing that the network side, you earn through the affiliate program 10 levels deep, and also you have tokens rewarded to your account where you could use them same tokens to buy into different levels within the network, and then you could use those tokens to buy in the cases within the platform as well through the marketplace, right? So a lot of information we shared today. You know, I'm coming to a close of today's presentation, and a lot of information is available on Shao Bank website. If you head over to the website, you can literally contact Shao Bank directly if you choose to. Again, you head over to help and support, and you would see contact us here, and you will be given. All right, let me just log out to my account because you could actually create a ticket within your account. But I want to show you what you have access to from the website itself. You head over to help and support, and you're going to see contact us, right? And all right, let's give me 1 second here. They're asking to create a ticket. Okay. Right. Yes, so if you have a registered account with the company, with the platform, you could simply reach out to support as well too, right? Just log into your account, head over, you would see a support tab here, and you could create a ticket if you want to get in contact with Shao Bank. Right? They probably did a little changes to the platform. Right, let me just scroll all the way down to the main website. Let me see if there's a contact. I know they're always doing some upgrades and stuff like that. Yeah, so they tied it to the account now. Once you select contact us, it takes you to the account and you can create a ticket from there. And you could get in contact with Shao Bank through the ticket system. Right, so look at here, guys. All you have to do is head over to the main website, digital banking, help and support, and you have to scroll all the way down. And you're going to see an address for Shao Bank, their office in Hong Kong. You're going to see a phone number which you could call and get someone to answer. And there's an email as well to contact Shao Bank. So I know Mr. Rich Joe, on the last call, you was asking if there's an office that someone could visit in Hong Kong. I did find out for you.
Okay.
Right? Yeah, I did find out. Yes, you guys could visit. You just need to make an appointment first, right?
All right, bro.
Yeah, just get in contact with them and tell them you would like to make a visit and you set up an appointment. And with the bonds, also with the bonds question from before, because I know you told me there was different bond certificates available before I came in the platform now. And what Shao Bank responded and told me, yes, during the course of the year, they always try to make more options available for customers. So most likely at the end of this year, they may have a different bond selection available as well, right?
Okay. Okay.
Nice. So I got those questions answered for you.
Thanks so much, bro. Thank you. We appreciate it.
So guys, I mean, it's at the end of the call. It's a bit bright. It's sunny outside in my area in Trinidad. You know, I have a lot to do today. If you have any questions regarding the opportunity call, you could feel free unmuting your microphone, asking a question. You could also leave a question in the chat box. And right, so I'm seeing dual com system. I'm going to unmute your microphone, right? All right, so go ahead. Yeah. Hello? You're breaking up really bad where you are. You're not hearing you clearly.
Okay, can you hear me now?
You're all breaking up.
Can you hear me?
I can clearly hear what you're saying. If you want, would you like to leave a question in the chat box?
Okay.
Mr. Duocom system, we are not hearing you clearly. You could go ahead and leave a question in the chat box and let me see how quickly I can answer that for you. I see also a username by Voting Eric. Seeing your microphone unmuted, do you have a question for us today? Okay.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Mr. Voting Eric.
Yeah,
Nice to have you with us on the call today, you know. Do you have a question for us?
yeah, I joined the Zoom later, but I have one question I need to ask.
Okay. Go ahead.
When you go to the platform, let me see, when you go to the site, you see we have the bond, we have investment. So I
Right.
wanted to know the difference between the bond and investment.
Well, based on my knowledge, for the platform, bonds is the investment you're getting involved with. Right? They just have it labeled as bonds within the bank, right? So when you go into the website and you're selecting bonds, you're actually getting into the investment with Shao Bank. So bonds is the investment, right? You understand, Mr. Eric?
Yeah, I did not get because my network is too bad, so the line was
That's
breaking.
why this call will be recorded. So we would upload it to our channel and we would share it on Shao Bank's Telegram channel. So you can take a look at it, right?
All right.
All right, no problem.
All right. I'm so grateful for that.
Yes, man, no problem. All right, so Mr. Duocom, did you leave a question for us on the chat box? Let me know if you left a question for us on the chat box. All right, I'm seeing Mr. Rich Joe. All right, go ahead.
Yeah, thank you so much once again. Mr. Eric is one of my key leader there from Ghana.
All
yeah,
right.
so busy, that's why he joined late. Yeah, so these are amazing guys and they're ready to push the business there in Ghana. And and that's this person .com 2 system is also an amazing leader. I think the network is bad. He had a question to ask. I don't know why it's trying to, yeah, and other people that came on board. So like you said, since the recording is going to be there, they're going to go back to recordings and watch. Yeah. And the next call will be when again? Is it on Saturday?
Yeah, Saturday would be the next.
All right, bro. I appreciate it.
All right. Mr. Duocom, you want to unmute your microphone? Let's see if we can hear.
Okay, I have dropped the chat now. Can you hear me, guys?
All right, so
check the chat box.
Yeah, did you leave the question in the chat box?
Yeah, exactly. Check the chat box.
Looking at the chat box here, I'm not really seeing anything from you. You make sure you send the message, right? Check the chat box and make sure.
Yeah, but I think his network is clear now. Can you go ahead to speak? It's like your network is clearer a bit.
Right, go ahead and speak now. Go ahead and speak. Yeah, Mr. Duocom system, you could go ahead and speak. All right, okay, so, all right, okay, I'm seeing the question in the chat box now, all right? Okay, I'm seeing the question in the chat box, all right? I get enough feedback here from some. All right. Okay, good. So the question basically, yeah, thanks again, right? Duocom, right? So you like the presentation. I also believe that Shao Bank has a better future for all investors. Yeah, definitely, man. We saw that roadmap all the way to 2032. A lot of accomplishments happened within the time they launched in 2022. That is. All right, my question is, how can one get a Shao Bank credit card? It's a simple answer to that question, Mr. Dio. Once you sign up with the platform and you verify your account, you would see a Shao Bank virtual card showing up on your account. When you have active bonds working as well in your account, you get the returns coming back to your Shao Bank virtual card. So it's a kind of automatic system. Once you're verified with the company, with the system, you get that instantly into your account. I hope that answers your question, right? Remember with the Shao Bank credit card, guys, it's limited right now just to Hong Kong and some European countries. They are looking to get more countries available so persons can use their card freely. All right, keep that in mind. So it's that time of the day. I really appreciate everyone coming out to today's call. Our next opportunity call will be on Saturday. Make sure to invite your friends, persons of interest on Saturday's call. The information will be sent to the Telegram channel. I'm going to drop the link to the official Shao Bank Telegram channel on the Zoom chat box, where you guys could join into our Telegram channel and ask questions there as well. All right, so I'm gonna just drop that in the Zoom chat box here for everyone. So make sure and join up to our official Shao Bank Telegram channel. All right, so that's the official link there. So guys, I really appreciate everyone coming on today's call. I wish everyone a blessed and prosperous day ahead. And I will be seeing you guys on the inside. For persons who is not with us as yet, please reach back out to the individual who invited you to the call. Tell them you saw the presentation, you're interested and would like to get started. All right. With that being said, have a great day, guys, and I will see you all on Saturday.